What's up, little chefs? This is what you're gonna need. Some almond flour, sweetener of choice. I use monk fruit and cinnamon. Dark cocoa powder is the key. And you're also gonna need some softened butter. Mix that up until it looks like wet sand. And then we're gonna put that in the pan of choice. Make sure you add parchment paper, that is important. And once we put that in the pan and press it out, we're gonna pop it in the freezer so it firms up. Moving to our cheesecake, I'm gonna add some half and half heavy cream and vanilla extract to a blender. Don't judge me. Monk fruit was my sweetener again, and softened cream cheese that I let sit out to room temperature. And look, it's perfection, you guys. I just love the blender. So now let's assemble this thing, shall we? I got some sugar-free Lily's chocolate chips and these cookie dough bites, you guys, fire. I got them from enlightened.com and they are hands down one of the best. So I add a thin layer of the cheesecake to the crust, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add just a few of the cookie dough bites and the chocolate chips, and then I add the remaining of the cheesecake on top, finish it off with the cookie dough bites and the chocolate chips, put it in the refrigerator overnight. Look at it, pure perfection. Thank you guys for watching. You guys enjoy.